Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is again class 12. Subject is zoology. And our today's topic is what causes cancer. Causes of this disease, cancer. Very important, very interesting topic it is. Very informative it is. Causes of cancer. Dear students, cancer is not caused by any agent which is not clearly known. That is, cancer is neither contagious, cancer is neither contagious nor hereditary. Then what causes cancer? It is not clearly known. Then what causes the disease cancer? It is not clearly known. It is not clearly known. But there are some factors. There are some factors which help us the development of, which help us, or we can say, which causes the development of the cancer cells, that are environmental pollutants. If we talk about that, what are the main causes of cancer? So we can say that cancer is neither contagious nor hereditary. It is not any disease which can be transferred from one generation to the another generation. It is not a disease which is present in the parents and then it goes and transmits into the offspring. It is not such type of a disease. Neither it is a contagious nor it is a hereditary. Then what causes cancer? Actually, it is not clearly known what causes cancer. But there are some factors which help us the cancer cells in their development. And these factors are the environmental pollutants. For example, any factor, anything which affect mitotic rates, anything and any object which causes the mitotic rates, we can say that these are the factors which we call carcinogenic factors. And these carcinogenic factors are responsible for the main cause of the cancer. So I will again repeat that cancer is neither a contagious nor a hereditary, but cancer is caused. It is not clearly known how cancer is caused, but there are some factors which affects or which help us in the development of the cancer cells. Then these are the environmental pollutants. That is anything which shows mitotic rates, which develop the mitotic rates can be, these are which increase the mitotic rates, we can say that these are carcinogenic factors. For example, constant irritation, constant heat irritation. This is one of the factor which is the cause of a cancer. That is constant heat irritation. How constant heat concentration? What do you mean by that? How constant heat concentration? This is, for example, in Kashmir, during winter season. During the winter season, we can use concrete in order to provide constant heat to save ourselves from cool, very hot cool. That is, हम कश्मीरी कांगड़ी को लगातार इस्तेमाल करते हैं ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन, जब यहाँ पे बहुत सर्दियाँ पड़ती है, तब कांगड़ी की जो हीट लगती है हमारे पेट के अंदर लगते हैं, हमारे टांगों के अंदर लगते हैं, इससे क्या हो जाता है, स्किन सेल जो होता है वो ड्राई हो जाते हैं और डेड हो जाते हैं. Then it becomes one of the cause of a cancer. It becomes one of the cause of a cancer. In other words, we can use heaters. Heaters we can use for constant heat, for the provision of heat. So when we use heat for a constant period, it will be there are so many chances to cause it a cancer. Number 2, betel and tobacco chewing. Tobacco chewing. For example, थ्रोट कैंसर या फूड पाइप कैंसर या स्टोमक कैंसर या माउथ कैंसर, इनका जो मेन काज होता है वो ये होता है कि हम तंबाकू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तंबाकू के इस्तेमाल करने से ये कारण है कैंसर को क्रिएट करने में। इट कॉजेज ऑरल कैंसर लाइक माउथ कैंसर, लंग कैंसर and food pipe cancer due to the betel and the tobacco chewing. Then the third one is heavy smoke. Heavy smoke. Heavy smoking is one of the main cause of a cancer. For example, cigarette की डिब्बी पे सीधा लिखा होता है cigarette smoking causes cancer. It's a precautionary measure right on the packet of a cigarette. And heavy smoking, when we take heavy smoking, continuously smoking, this smoking may cause lung cancer. This heavy smoking may cause lung cancer and stomach cancer also. Then the next point is chemicals. This is the most important. Chemicals. By using chemicals, there are certain drugs which can be used as a chemicals. These are the main cause of a cancer. There are sometimes we can use pesticides, sometimes we can use nicotine and other things, caffeine, nicotine, etc. These chemicals are the main cause of a cancer. Then the next is radiations. Continuously by doing X-rays, ultrasounds, TV reels, MRIs, continuously doing by these things, there are so many chances of cancer. Yeah, we can use continuously on computer. Rays are passing through our body. By using continuously TV, by using continuously mobile also. These are the ultraviolet radiations we can pass our body and they cause cancer. These are the things which becomes the cause of a cancer. Our topic was what causes the cancer. These are the things which are the dangerous alarm for causing cancer. And today's topic will be oncogenesis. Thank you.